Hello Hackwave viewers, welcome to After Hack video series. Today what I'm gonna show is an advanced meter-preter exploitation of a remote Windows XP system or any Windows system. You can make your changes and hack other systems. So in continuation to the previous video on the basic commands using Metasploit framework and the reverse, that the payload which we set was meter-preter session, and after creating a meter-preter session we are dealing with what commands should be executed on a remote computer so that we can make a successful hack. So let's start hacking. Okay, so this is my backtrack instance. This is MSF console. I've already opened an instance of MSF console. MSF console is nothing but a command line platform for your Metasploit framework. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same vulnerability which I have used in the previous video, is the net API. I'm searching it, and yes, thanks a lot for the previous video comments and support, and actually I'm enjoying making videos for you guys. Okay, so this is our exploit. I will use this exploit and I'm connected. Now what I'm gonna do is I will see what options I can use and how can I make my hack a successful hack. So these are some options, show options. I will write the R host, which is here, set R host, and the IP is 133. This is the remote system IP, and I can show you. This is my XP system. And the IP of this system is 192.168.204.133, which I have used here. You all can see. Here it is set now. Now what I need is I need a payload, and in the payload I'll use meter-preter session so that I can connect to remote computer and can make my hack a successful hack. So I will set the payload. It is Windows/meter-preter/reverse TCP, and I'm in. I'll see the options which I can use. Here are some options. I need to set the L host. Setting L host is my IP. .140 is the IP. It is set. We'll see the options. It is all set. By the way, if you want to exploit other targets, you can see the targets which you can use for using a vulnerability. These are a lot of targets which can be used using the net API vulnerability. Okay, so I think I am all set to exploit the system. Let's exploit it. Here it is. Hopefully if the hack is successful, I'll get a meter-preter session, and here it is. I've got the meter-preter session. I'm connected to the victim system. Now what I can do is I can get the UID of other system, that is anti-authority. This was already shown in the previous video, and I hope you all are following the videos. What more I can do is I can see what other system has made the countermeasures to avoid hacking techniques and to avoid malwares and exploitations, viruses, to block all these viruses. So I can do this by running a simple inside script which is in Metasploit framework, is get countermeasure and it will show us what are the countermeasures which are applied by victim's machine. Anyway, by using any of the countermeasures, they cannot block us from hacking their system. So these are this is operational mode is enabled, exception mode is enabled, operational mode, standard profile configuration, local area connection, firewall configuration, it is enabled. See, firewall is enabled even then we are connected to other system. Let's move it further. Now first thing I'm gonna do is kill the antivirus so that we are not detected. And yes, I've killed the antivirus. I've killed the sc.exe, I've killed command prompt cmd.exe. Now I'll get ui./e. Sorry, there is some mistake. Get GUI. By using get GUI, I'm enabling the remote desktop connection on the other machine, and because IDP is already enabled, no problem. If it was not enabled, then it can be enabled by using get GUI command. Now I can use run persistence. Sorry. And now successfully I can enumerate the Windows system by using run win enum. These are various application commands which are already running and which we can use to exploit the system. There are a lot. By using win enum, the Metasploit framework will fire some basic commands on other Windows system and make our hack a successful hack. To learn more and more, I request you all to follow these techniques, to apply these techniques. Please install VMware, please install Backtrack 5. So here you can see running command list. A lot of commands are being executed automatically on Windows XP system. Here you can see net accounts, netstat bb, ipconfig. These are the commands these commands are automatically executed by Metasploit framework after we fire win enum. After this after hack video series, we are already representing hacking web applications in a hacker way video series and smart hack internet safety campaign. So I hope you all are following those videos also. I'm getting a lot of comments and still I'm hungry for more and more comments so that I can make better videos. And now you can see that even the password hashes are dumped, tokens are generated, all tokens have been processed, done. So all this for this video. In the next video we'll show a lot of more good hacks. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.